Welcome to our channel. Your USAA Rewards card offers valuable points and benefits with every purchase. Follow these steps to activate your card and start claiming the points you've earned. Step 1. Take your new USAA Rewards card out of the envelope and review any accompanying materials that explain the rewards program and activation process. Step 2. Visit the USAA website at usaa.com or download the USAA mobile app if you prefer to activate via smartphone or tablet. Step 3. Log into your USAA account using your member number or username and password. Complete any two-factor authentication if your account requires it. Step 4. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main menu and select Credit Cards to view your card accounts. Step 5. Find your new rewards card in the list and click on it. Look for an Activate Card button or link within the card details page. Step 6. Enter your card's information including the full card number, expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card. Step 7. Once your card is activated, navigate to the Rewards section to view your points balance and understand the rewards program structure. Step 8. Explore the rewards catalog to see redemption options such as travel, merchandise, cashback, or statement credits. Make purchases with your activated card to earn points automatically, and remember to check for special bonus categories that earn extra points. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.